Huh?
Should I get the stool?
No, I'm here right now. I'm here right now.
What?
Alright, chill. Alright, chill. What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade on my little brother, so stay tuned. I also hope you guys enjoyed that little boxing match we had in the beginning. My little brother is a bruiser, so he does not play. Okay, back to the haircut. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything in the direction it lays. Then we switched over to our 3-guard all the way open, and we started debulking the sides. Once we were done creating our silhouette and debulking the sides, we switched over to our Gold FX and created our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour this first guideline to their head shape. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1-guard all the way open. With this same guard, you're going to soften up the line with the lever and then move on to your half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with our 1-guard, we can move on to the 2-guard all the way open and begin to blend into the top bulk. Now that the line is soft enough with the 2-guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes there's a faint line after you're done with your 1.5 guard, so you can move on to your 1-guard all the way open and corner up the darkness of the fade. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, we're going to begin to blend in the bulk into the sides. When the cutting blade is horizontal, I'm debulking, and when the cutting blade is vertical, I'm blending. Using thinning shears will also help you blend into the bulk. Moving on to the hairline, we're going to start off by lining up the C-cup at the bottom half and then moving our way to the top half of the arc. Here, I'm lining up the little bit of baby hairs he has. I'm making it all look beautiful. Moving on to the back side, we're going to use our no guard all the way open to create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that our initial guideline is erased, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're going to be erasing the rest of the guideline with the half guard all the way open and midway. Using the 2 guard all the way open will help prepare us for our 1.5 guard and also help us blend into the bulk. like to leave a little bit of bulk near the calic area after using my 3-guard all the way open so I could use my clipper over comb method and leave bulk but blend it at the same time. As you can see, it's starting to blend in very nicely. Moving on to our shear work, we're going to start off by making our guideline through the middle and then connect it through the sides. Okay, now we're going to start connecting it to the sides. As you can see, I'm matching the hair that is long to the guideline I made in the middle. Moving on to the graphic, we're using our Goat FX and we're just gonna freestyle something. I'm not going off any picture, any book, nothing. I'm just freestyling. So make sure you pay attention and see what I do. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. When doing my designs, I like to make exaggerated lines and curves just so they could pop out a little bit more. Now we're going to use our Turkish razor and get it as crispy as possible. I always create the guideline thin when using my trimmer, and then I use the blade to make it larger. I feel like something was missing, so I made the bottom line a little bit thicker.